Hey guys, it's Nolan and today we are going to do some Nerf trick shots. So I have a lot of Nerf guns, so a lot of Nerf guns to choose from. I think I have a good idea. I don't know which one. I'm gonna go through my top favorite 3 guns and tell them to you guys. Of course, my favorite gun is, first favorite gun is, it's not really a Nerf gun, but it's a laser tag Nerf gun. It's cool. Right there. So that's pretty cool. And what's my second one? Actually, the laser one is my, third one. This is my first one right here. This rival gun. And my third favorite is this gun. So, what favorite gun is yours? I'll just give you a peek of my Nerf collection. Favorite gun. Because this, if you're noticing, this gun right here is actually a real BB gun. I don't know why I have that in my Nerf collection, but it's pretty cool. So we have our balls in this one, and we have our, let's see, little Nerf darts in here, and our mega Nerf darts in here, right here, there. So I'm going to show you all the different types of Nerf darts that I have. There's mega, zombie, normal, other type of normal, and weird looking one right there, cool one right there, and green one right there, and an orange one right there. Wait, I'm pretty sure I have, wait, do I? Oh, I have another different type. It's this one. We're going to put that, and this white one. So, this is really great. Can't wait until Henry and Van. If you're watching this, Henry hopping and Van hopping, this is how much Nerf guns I have. And this is Nolan and Joe, so actually, real channel, it's called Nolan Herd, but look at this Nerf collection. Finn, Henry, I don't think you guys have any Nerf guns, so a couple of you know Van and Henry. They have a YouTube channel. It's called Swagger Bros and Van Hopping. And don't forget to subscribe to them. Yeah, because I have 75 subscribers. They only have 33, so feel bad for them. And Minecraft Nolan, he only has 12 subscribers, and Swagger Bros only has 6 subscribers, and Van Hopping has 33 subscribers. My very big top favorite gun is this one. What? This one right here.